Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how I made these really pretty blinged out resin coasters. First I went ahead and mixed up some Artworks resin and added some deep blue pigment to it. Then I poured it into these geode shaped resin coaster molds. When you use these molds, you cannot use a torch to pop the bubbles. So what I'm doing here is using a heat gun and just gently blowing it around to try to get rid of those air bubbles. Then what I did was I found my favorite sparkly glitter and added a squirt of liquid gloss varnish to it and mixed it up so I could make a paste out of it. Then I just kind of draw a line down the center and then take my paintbrush and go back and forth in a zigzag just to do like a gradient. Once I have the right side looking the way I want it, I start filling in the left side with all glitter. Allow these to dry completely overnight, and then the next day mix up some more resin and do a light coat for the top. Don't forget to pop those air bubbles with the heat gun. Now that they're dry, I'm going to pop them out of the mold. Sometimes you get some rough edges and you just take a utility knife and just trim them up a little bit, and that's it. They're all done. Thanks for watching my video, and if you want to know where to get this awesome resin, you can find it at thecraftattack.com.